Good morning, students. We are going to start the last topic of Module 3. Module 4. Module 4 is the very small module where we need to solve a few numerical problems. The last topic of Module 4 is numerical integration. Okay, and you know that numerical integration, that means integration. We need to solve integration of fixed samples. Now there are the many rules, but in this topic they have given you 3 rules to solve numerical integration, which we need to understand and which we need to study. The first one is trapezoidal rule. Now what do you mean by trapezoidal rule of integration? That means how it will work. In this concept, they are asking you how in the Python code the trapezoidal rule of integration will work. Let us consider you want to integrate any function f of x is equals to x square. Let us consider you need to integrate this equation f of x is equals to x square. The first question will come. It is definite integration or indefinite integration. So, my dear friend, just I have given you f of x is equals to x square, which we need to solve it. Okay, that means it is not a definite integration. We have given the definite integration the previous topic. What was that? Gaussian quadrature, and we was approximating the definite integration into weighted sum. But here that concept is not there. I want to integrate f of x is equals to x square. Now, how I can do with the help of trapezoidal rule? What do you mean by this? Let us consider. I will ask you to write the program to integrate f of x is equals to x square with the help of trapezoidal rule. Then, my dear friend, first of all, I wanted to explain the concept behind the trapezoidal rule. Before that, I wanted to explain what is integration actually. What do you mean by integration? If you are integrating means what? What you are doing here there? Integration is nothing but, my dear friend, addition of samples in a small interval. Now I did not understand. That means if I am integrating something, some function, that means you are adding a small interval values, keep adding a small interval value. That is nothing but addition, right? So addition, the concept of addition, the concept of integration with the help of trapezoidal rule says that it will approximate the function as a straight line between adjacent points, because finally you are going to move point basis, right? Point wise point. Now between adjacent points, like between 2 points, he will understand the function. He will approximate the given function as a straight line. Whatever function you are giving, it does not see. I have given fx is equal to x square. According to this function is a parabola, right? But when I wanted to use the concept of trapezoidal between, then what he will do? He will keep adding between adjacent points by assuming that nature of the function is a straight line. Okay, so let us consider between A to B, he will assume one straight line. Again, between B to C, he will another a straight line, and he will keep doing the integration. So that's why it is known as trapezoidal rule. Means between the adjacent points, he will consider the function as a straight line. Even though you are considering fx is equals to x square, but he will consider as a straight line, and he will perform the integration. That means it is a very simple command. First, we will import integrate from scipy, because we are doing the integration. So from scipy import integrate, then consider numpy as np, and then define the function which you need to integrate. Let us consider I wanted to integrate f of x equals to x square. Give the name of function, return the equation x square, and then define the limits. That means define the points. Okay, uh, from the lower to upper, and how many points are there, that we can do it with np.array, create one-dimensional array, and that will give you x. That is the variation of x. So 1, 3, 4 means total points are 4. Now you define that equation and integrate it. So what is the command? Integrate dot tr APZ. Integrate dot tr APZ y1 comma x, and y1 is nothing but define your function and define function, and x is nothing but the points which you have selected, which you have already defined with np dot array, one dimensional array, 3 points, 1 comma 3 comma 4. The total number of points is 4 and 1 2 3. Now my dear friends, see here that integrate dot trapz will perform the integration by assuming the trapezoidal rule. That means it will integrate the function fx is equals to x square by considering the adjacent points as in like a straight line. So it is just an assumption which trapezoidal rule will consider to perform the integration, and the concept behind is that it will integrate any function, but it will assume the adjacent point, the nature of the function is a straight line, and will do perform the integration. And it is a very simple. Within one line, we can use the command, and we can use integrate or trpaz y1 comma x, and you will get the integration of y1. Right? So it is a very simple rule, and but when you are going to do the manually, then definitely it is not so easy, because you have to approximate the function in a straight line and then you have to integrate. But Python will give you the solution within one line with the help of command integrate dot trapz and y1 comma x. So here we have explained the concept of trapezoidal rule, which is very simple, and it is a very attractive formula, or you can say that code, which can help us to solve it. Thank you very much.